Hello, this is Rebecca, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. In this video, I'm going to explain your options for recording meter readings without a work order in Hexagon EAM. If you are new to meters, check out the video on installing a new equipment meter. Also, be sure to subscribe to ensure you are notified when new content is published. One option is to record a meter reading for a specific piece of equipment on the Equipment screen Meters tab. On the Meters tab, you can select the meter. Then from the Actions drop-down, there is an option to enter meter reading. When you're recording a meter reading, you have the option to record a reading or the difference. If this was an up-down meter, you would only have the option to record a reading. A reading represents the value of a meter at a specific point in time, whereas the difference represents the change between two consecutive readings. I am going to proceed with entering the current value of my vehicle odometer. As you can see, a work order is not required. Once I submit, the meter details will update to reflect the last reading and the total usage. Another option is the Batch Meter Readings screen. This screen is available from the Equipment menu under Process. Batch meter readings allow you to enter meter readings for multiple pieces of equipment or meters at once, streamlining the data entry process. If you know the equipment or meter code, you can type in the details and simply tab between the cells. If you need to look up the details, make sure your cursor is in a cell and activate the lookup using the function F9 keyboard shortcut. This will allow you to search for equipment or meter. Then you can simply enter the new value. On the batch meter reading screen, you can clear a line if necessary. You can also copy a line. This is useful if you need to enter multiple readings for the same meter, such as if you need to record yesterday's reading as well. So for this particular meter, I could simply update the date and enter in the value for yesterday's reading. To record the readings, you can either click Update Meters or click Save. A couple of additional options include recording a meter reading as part of an operator checklist or utilizing the import utility to upload meter readings. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions related to meter readings in Hexagon EAM. Thanks for watching.